Bitcoin, everything. You guys know the keywords. We're diving into why 99% of, yes, you heard it here, 99% of meme coins are going to fail. Why 90 of them not only are going to, but why 99% of them fail within like the first 5 days of launching, guys. Today, we're diving into not only meme coins. We're going to be talking about some major updates and developments on Bitcoin's network. We're going to be diving into liquidations. We're going to be diving into, presidential elections. We're going to be diving into how to find the next hidden gems and how to look for strong meme coins, but more importantly, explain how to stay away from the ones that have major red flags. So make sure you guys smash that like button, get excited. And of course, guys, if you're coming into the stream, make sure you go share it with the Shubaduki chat in the Telegram, as well as the Joshua Jake FOMO chat. If one of the mods want to go ahead and just share that so everybody can get into these groups, let them know that we're here. Come right over and come get excited as we jump into a lot of really cool deep dives in today's video. So looking at the top meme coins today, guys, this is the narrative. Dogecoin, everything's actually seen quite a bit of a pullback. This is going to honestly just follow suit with Bitcoin. Guess what's crashing right now? Bitcoin ran up to $70,250, almost $70,300, but we created a major imbalance at $69,200. So I expect we are going to fill this position right here, but I believe we're about to get the next major leg up in these markets. Why is that? Well, the delta spread on liquidations, guys. Holy smokes! Look at that. Look at that. Negative $7.5 billion. It is a sea of red. It is a sea of red. And you know what we like to do when it is a sea of red? We like to buy. Okay? This is where opportunity is made. So as we get this pullback, as we feel these imbalances, it is looking more and more likely that we are turning $69,000 into support. And I do believe we can see a major leg up here in the near future. We just want to eliminate all of those existing EIs. One more just popped up at $68,500. So this, I don't even know, it just loaded. That just loaded. So this, we want these filled. I don't like imbalances. You know this, chat. We don't like imbalances. I'm going to tell you right now, if we go all the way down to $68,500, the liquidations would be at like negative 20 to negative 15 to negative $20 billion. It would be such a massive spring. I would be expecting a very, 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 very strong reversal here sometime this week, if not into next week. So we're watching out for those key levels. But of course, right now, all we want to know about is how to make money in these markets. That's all anybody wants to know. How do you make money in these markets? Well, type 1 in chat if you think it's by buying when, we're at all-time highs. Type 2 in the chat if it's by buying when there's blood in the streets, right? I think you guys know this answer. Do you want to buy? 1 in the chat when everybody's excited and we're at all-time highs, or do you want to buy when everything is red and selling off the face of the earth, right? You want to be, I better only see 2s. I see only 2s coming on TikTok. I see only 2s coming on YouTube here. Guys, you want to buy in the red. So we are going to be positioning ourselves. We're going to be watching for these portfolios. We're going to be creating watch lists, more importantly, but we want to be starting to pick up the projects that, of course, are bleeding the most. So in the top 24 hours, we have Mantra. There are a few gainers here in the last 24 hours, but in the last 24 hours, there's a lot more losers. Wormhole down 16.3%. Already down 6%. Athena down 6%. Sui, Ondo at $1.22. Ondo looking like a snack. Okay? Ondo looks like a beautiful snack, and I might be honestly accumulating more, even though I already have a massive bag. I did take profits and buy that beautiful Tesla. But yes, guys, Ondo is looking really, 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 really healthy at this point. So looking at the Bitcoin chart, I did want to point this out before we get into the major news and explain why 99% of meme coins are pretty much scams and just going to go to zero, and how to tell the good ones apart from not. Well, looking at Bitcoin USD here, guys, look at this bull flag, right? We are in a very, very bullish channel. We have been now consolidating here for roughly 104 days. We have been consolidating for 104 days by previous all-time highs, all right? By previous all-time highs. This is incredibly bullish to me. The stochastic is now almost completely oversold. I believe if we go to $68,500, we very much will and could possibly obtain that. The RSI is starting to hit that major moving average right now. I would like to see that break out. But if we do break out of this bull flag, okay, if we break out of this bull flag, you'll notice, here's from the top. Let's fix this for you guys. From the bottom to the top of this pole here, we put that at the top of this, you're looking at an upside target of anywhere between $100,000 and $107,000 Bitcoin. Okay, there's no reason to not be excited in these markets right now. There really, really isn't. So as we kind of stick around, guys, as we talk about meme coins, by the end of this episode, we have to hit 300 likes, okay? We have to hit 300 likes. I have a massive announcement for you guys right now, okay? Massive announcement for you guys right now. I'm going to be giving away $2,500, $2,500. Now, I have to hit 300 likes. I'm not going to give it away on stream. I'm going to wait till tomorrow or the next day until we have to hit 300 likes. So smash that like button. Come over to YouTube, okay? Get excited because we're giving away $2,500 on our Twitter right here. And I'm going to be doing it live, and I'll be choosing the winner if you guys reach that goal today. If not, we'll do it tomorrow. But I want you guys to get excited and just, hopefully one of you in this chat is going to come home with a lot of money today. And by the way, you know what? I'm going to double down, okay? We have to hit 300 likes, and I'll give away the $2,500 today on the stream. If we hit 400 likes, okay, if we hit 400 likes on YouTube, I will do another $1,000 giveaway. We'll announce another $1,000 giveaway, and we'll choose another winner later this week. But if we can hit 400 likes, I'm going to give away $3,500 essentially right now. $3,500. So do not miss up. Do not miss that opportunity. How do you enter? Well, make sure you guys go over to the Twitter, give me a follow, and of course, do everything in this post. But we'll be choosing those winners here live tonight, and you guys don't want to miss out on that. In fact, I'm going to retweet it on my Twitter. So watch this. I'm gonna retweet it right now. So if you guys go to my Twitter, it should pop up now. I'm on Shubaduki's Twitter, but it should pop up now under the pinned tweet as the main page. Oh, no, I just retweeted on Shubaduki. That's funny. There you go. So it's now retweeted on Shubaduki. So I just put it on Shubaduki's Twitter. Go give us a follow us over there, guys. We hit 2,500 followers. We hit an $11 million market cap last night as a community. Again, no promises, guys. No utility. This is completely for entertainment. Duke is our mascot, but the community has been crushing it. You guys have been building videos and memes that are just amazing. We got shouted out by the first influencer today. We got CoinGecko listing coming up. But we had $11 million market cap with no exchange listings, no KOLs, no paid marketing, no CoinGecko, no market makers, and you guys dropped an entire theme song. So you guys are absolutely wild. We're on Discover Crypto right now, guys. Smash those likes buttons. Let's give away $3,500 today. So Alex Kruger on Twitter. The odds of a new meme coin succeeding by following the same old approach are very close to zero at this point. Regardless of how well connected the team may be, meme coins need new mechanics such as those with Notcoin. Fair launches only work under extraordinary conditions. This is how most meme coins look like. So traditionally, you get 20 days, 30 days, 40. I think this is by days old. Within days old. Within 2 months, the majority of your meme coins, guys, they completely just go to zero, essentially, right? They essentially just go to completely zero. So what do you have to look for? Because he says, again, extraordinary conditions. So I'm going to let's pull up Dex tools right here because I want to show you guys this. Let's go. We're going to go to our Dex screener even works. What you want to look for is going to be on the right-hand side. You're going to scroll down and you're going to look for the Go Plus Security, the Quick Intel, or the Token Sniffer. Now, Token Sniffer is probably my favorite. You can also use Dex tools. You can also use Dex screener. You want anything that's really going to be over an 80 score. So what makes a project not 100%? Well, of course, right here, guys, as you can see, I added 100% of the liquidity, but some people have added liquidity afterwards, other whales, other people that want to help the community grow, get other people into it, that they haven't locked up yet. So now the next step is to encourage whales to lock up more liquidity. I'm going to be locking up more. We want to do a community event for it, but essentially, you want to be looking for the fact that the token is sellable. So if it's not sellable, that's a positive. If the token is sellable, run, okay? Run for the hills. If this isn't a green check mark, run for the hills. If there is a buy fee or sell fee, which by the way, guys, Duke has no buy fee or sell fee. Let me go over to Dex Tools because Dex Tools is actually prettier than Dex Screener. It's just a better format. This is how you guys research meme coins. If you have no idea how to tell if a meme coin's safe or not and you're just like going based off of Twitter, you're going to just keep getting wrecked. You're going to keep getting wrecked, okay? So on the left-hand side here, you can see we're an 86 out of 99. We're actually really, really strong on Dex Tools here. You can see that the contract has been verified. Yes, contract renounced. This needs to be green. You want to see all these greens. You'll notice, though, our buy and sell tax, most projects, guys, they're going to be a 1% to 5%. We are 0.25%. 25 basis points. And it's not even Shubaduki. It's the deployer we were launched on, and that is my company. That is going to be OmniSwap.ai. What does that mean? If OmniSwap.ai does $1 billion in revenue, which, by the way, everybody in this chat, guys, if we're doing $1 billion in revenue, you guys are some of the happiest people on the planet. Okay, that is, if we're doing $1 billion in revenue, yeah, that's $1 billion company essentially is what we're looking at right there, right? We're talking massive money flowing in and out of that market 24/7 on top of our deployer. Huge, right? That's maybe not billion, but it's definitely high millions in value of what we've built there. So that is like, I would love to see that. We're in a whole new category. So realistically, let's lower those expectations. But let's say even if it was $1 billion in value, what that means, guys, is we make $2.5 million. Okay? That's what that means. An entire team of developers. We have a massive team. 2.5. That's it. Off $1 billion in volume. Now, why would we do that? You're like, Josh, that sounds crazy, right? That sounds great. One, I believe we can honestly do that one day, and that would be that would be amazing. But two, is because we want to clean up the stupid fucking industry. Okay? 99% of meme coins are launched in a way where the contract's not renounced, which means they can edit the contract whenever. So if this green bar right here, guys, let me highlight it for you. If this doesn't say contract renounced, that essentially means the developers, the people that launch that contract, could change that contract into tokenomics at any given moment. All right? Rug pull should not be taking place. Contract verified. You want to make sure if it does say renounced, that it is verified on blockchain and that you can confirm that. Honeypot, right? What is the honeypot? Honeypot is going to be the buy and sell tax. So is there a 5% tax? Is there a 10% tax? That means every single transaction that's happened and taking place on that network, the team is taking 5 to 10% of every transaction. So if $5,000 goes through, they're making $500. If $50,000 goes through, they're making, $5,000, whatever it is, right? So you want to run from those because those are traditionally always honeypots, okay? You'll notice here we're 0.2, and 0.2 to 0.25%, right? Huge numbers cleaning up that industry. You also have a really strong community trust, all right? The other thing here is going to be simply looking at the liquidity right here. You'll notice that we have, for a $9.61 million market cap, we have almost $400,000 in liquidity. The lower the liquidity, the more bearish it is, guys. You need to be launching projects. Every meme coin isn't successful, okay? So when you go on these ugly-ass websites, let me pull up this one right here, right? When you go on this website, anybody can launch a token. Right? Anybody can, this just looks gross. And by the way, our V2 of OmniSwap is launching. This is this is our company right here, guys. This is the one we felt co-founded. This one's, this is, look how super easy interface. Version 2 is launching, which is going to be a very, very clean version. I can't really spoil too much. It's coming out within days. Just pay attention. But essentially, anybody can launch a token on here, and they can add very little liquidity. And what happens when you add very little liquidity? Well, when a whale comes into there, or when someone puts in, let's say you just put $100 in, there's very little liquidity, it's going to move the price action massively. There's going to be tons of slippage. It's going to keep whales out of the market. It's going to allow botters to manipulate the market. There's a bunch of stuff we don't need to get into the technicals on, but essentially it completely ruins the project. You see, anybody in the world, anybody on this planet can launch a meme coin. Anybody. If you're on OmniSwap, it takes 30 seconds. It takes 30 seconds in the MetaMask, right? So how do you launch a successful meme coin? How do you do that? Because according to Alex Kruger here, after 60 days, 99% of the products are failing. The majority are failing. Look at this, Solana floor. Over 112,000 new tokens were created on Solana over the last 7 days. Over the last 7 days, 112,301 were launched. So how do you know which ones you should pick and choose? Can every creator launch a successful meme coin? No. Most creators don't even know how to manage a MetaMask. Don't even try to ask them what a bonding curve is, right? Don't even try to ask them what liquidity is, right? Don't try to ask them what slippage is. They're not going to be able to answer. If they can't answer those questions and you guys are watching somebody that's going to launch a community token, they need to be 100% fair launch. What does that mean? That token needs to go straight to the DEX. They're not taking the contract early on because what happens, guys, with 112,000 of these tokens, the majority of the time on our platform, you can't do this. We literally eliminate it. As soon as you click deploy, it goes straight to chain. On most other platforms, if not the majority of them, if it could be even all, I don't even know another platform that doesn't do it this way. So correct me if I'm wrong. But the other ones, what happens is these creators, guys, they launch a token. They will launch a token, right? But they'll keep the contract address before giving it to the public, and they'll give it to all of their friends and families and insiders and team, right? They'll go give it to everybody. They'll inside trade it, and then they'll launch. That's not a fair launch. In what world does that sound fair, right? In what world does that sound fair? So you want to make sure that liquidity is locked. You want to make sure it's 100% fair launch, which means it's straight deployed. Why don't I back any project that's really not built on OmniSwap? Because I can't guarantee to you guys that they were 100% fair launched. All right. If it's 100% fair launch, you can see instantly, there's no manipulation on the back end through slippage, liquidity, bonding curves, etc. that exists on all these other V3 issued, tokens. It allows us to go, okay, 90% of the issues on current meme coins are solved from that position. So what does it take for a meme coin to go from zero to essentially hero, right? We're at now a $10 million market cap. It's crushing it. It's the community, guys. It's 100% you guys. It's mind share, okay? It's not about who's behind it, okay? You should never be picking up a meme coin because you're like, oh, this person is going to send it to the moon. It's got to be, no, this community could build something that's bigger than itself. For me, I'm making $0 off Duke here, right? I haven't sold a single dime of Duke, and the address that we have here, check it out. Watch, check it out. And you go in the Telegram. Everything is in the Telegram. If you guys are questioning on it, let me show you guys right here. Let's go to Deck Screener. Deck Screener. Boom, 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 boom. Let's go to the token contract address here for you guys. You guys have my wallets. It's the 5%. It's the top 3 right here. Should be the top 3. Might be the top. Someone might have had another one here. So it's this one right here. So if we go to holders, so 5%, yeah, it's these 3 right here. These 3 we have. Those are the community wallets. Are completely, you can go track them. You can go watch them and everything. Those are all for the exchange listings. We've been using those for community giveaways, community airdrops, and you guys are literally helping vote on what we're going to be doing with that in the Telegram in there for that chat. Okay? Everything is transparent with you guys. 100% fair launch. You could take it all the way back to where the deployer was traditionally launched. Okay? You could take it all the way back. If these teams aren't doing that, guys, if these teams aren't doing this, they're not for the community. The future of meme coins isn't from, because like everybody wants to launch a meme coin because they want to get rich off it. That's not the future of meme coins. That is not the future of meme coins. The future of meme coins are community-driven mindshare projects. What do I mean by that? Pepe, Dogecoin, they are worth $22 billion because they own that much. They own that much of the mind share in the audience. Everybody in the industry knows what Dogecoin is. Less people know what Pepe is, but still a majority know what Pepe is. More know what Shiba Inu is. If you follow the drift, right? Brett is now at a $2 billion market cap. The future of community tokens are, I honestly truly believe this, it's mascots. It's going to be your MLB. It's going to be baseball teams where 100% of the supply is fair launch and drop to fans that are attending the stage. Every time you buy a ticket and you attend in Section 3 or Section 8, or you buy a home plate ticket, you get airdropped from that team a set amount of tokens, and you can use those tokens to buy things like merch from their shops, right? That is the future. It's about building this overall community-driven aspect that is going to build up both brands and communities, not individuals, right? So there's a whole new industry that's starting to emerge from this, but creators right now, I've noted this. It's tons of your creators, guys. There's a lot of influencers out there that are launching projects. They have, 30, 40, 50% of the supply. They're not, saying, oh, they're not building a community. They're promising return. They're promising utility. They're promising gaming. They're promising those things. The moment you start promising that stuff, those influencers are painting themselves into such a big legal corner. You got to be insanely careful, okay? They are at a mass amount of risk. So if you guys want to stop picking up 99% of the meme coins that are failing, stop jumping into the ones that are solely based on representing one individual. Go find the ones that have a community, that can create that mind share, that are building memes, that are painting, that are creating, like in-depth songs or whatever it is. You have to find the projects that have this community development. If there's no community development, say goodbye to that project, okay? Say goodbye to that project. Dog's one of them. So Dog is a great example. This is by far, I really think Dog is going to be one of the biggest projects. It was launched by Leonidas, but 100% fair launch. This is the other thing, guys. No KOLs, no team allocation, no insiders, no paid marketing, no paid exchange listings, right? It was 100% deployed straight to Bitcoin to the holders. The community turned it into what it is today. And the community becomes so big. This is how simple this is, chat. There's 400 of you watching here. We're about to die on TikTok, guys. If you're on TikTok, come to YouTube, Discover Crypto. My phone's going to die. Come to TikTok right. There's 230 of you guys. Come to YouTube right now. We're going to give away $3,500. Come to YouTube, Discover Crypto. Discover Crypto. Come to YouTube. If you're on TikTok, 230 of you. All come to YouTube. The link's in my bio. We're giving away $3,500. $500 on this stream today if you guys come over here. Guys, make sure you hit that like button. We have to hit 300 likes to give away 2,500. And if we hit 400 likes, I'm going to give away another 1,000 for you guys in here. Okay? So Dog, yes, Dog Leonidas, guys, is going to be, I believe, one of the biggest projects on the market. And it's because it's 100% fair launched and community driven. The aspect is you had somebody already behind it. Yes, Leonidas may have launched it. He may have created the airdrop, but he gave it completely to the community, and the community built it. That is how you have to do it, not the other way around. You cannot have a community expect you to build everything, and you can't have that greed and that overall ego fear, which is what every influencer has, right? They go, oh, well, why is that one doing better than ours? Oh, well, screw that project. It's going to go to zero because it's not mine. You know, give me, dude, how many, I've had literally probably 40 influencers message me and be like, hey, can you give me a bunch of Duke to promote your project? I'm like, no, the first things first, I don't even have the Duke to give to you because this is 100% fair launch. Second is I'm not going to pay you because what do influencers do that want that, you know, type of allocation, guys? What do? The ones that come to me and they go, hey, I'll promote your project if you pay me. They're going to take the Duke tokens and then sell on you guys and then just artificially pump the market. It's gross. It's wrong. It's not how you do this. So there's a complete new network that is open. There's a completely new type of meme coin emerging, and it starts with Dog. It starts with Leonidas. It starts with Duke. It starts with the projects that 100% fair launch, that are community owned, community developed, right? Community developed, contract renounced, liquidity locked, and all built based off the understanding that the community is going to build together. That's the only way you're going to do this. That is the only way. So that is how you guys can really avoid a lot of the scam tokens out there. If you guys are following people out there and they're like promising all of this utility and all this stuff that's coming out to the project, it's going to fail. It's going to fail. Every time a project founder promises all this crazy utility to a meme coin, it's just going to go to zero. Guys, all the greats, Pepe, Brett, Shiba Inu, even Bonk, even Shiba, like they have no utility. Doge has no utility. The community over time built things. But if you're relying on one person to bring all of that it's never going to survive. It's got to become a brand image. It's got to become a meme, right? That is the mindshare aspect. So take that into kind of consideration when you guys are looking at the 112,000 projects that are launching on the market every single day. So before we get to the giveaway, guys, here, we got to keep, just in mind what's happening in these markets. U.S. presidential candidate Robert F. Kennedy to speak at the world's largest Bitcoin conference next month. He's going to be attending. I will be in this audience, probably even on the media side here, hopefully getting an interview with him for you guys. I would love to get him in on an interview. I think our team is actually in connection with them right now. We need to lock that in because I would love to sit down and just talk about the kind of future of finance with RFK. If you haven't listened to Robert F. Kennedy, he's got a lot of very, very, very valid takes. I don't agree with him on every geopolitical, reasoning he has, but he always has reasoning and sources and, sources to back whatever his claims are. So it's something I honestly very much respect. And so I do want to sit down with him and kind of see where the future of finance is heading with that. But we have Elizabeth Warren coming out and saying if we tax the rich, we can fund opportunity for fall. Let me go ahead and take a sip of water. This bugged me. I said, can we just give you to another country? Tired of you. Elizabeth Warren is probably the worst politician I've ever seen in my life. She really has done nothing. She was pretty much only put into a position of power as a senator of Massachusetts because she pretty much tanked. She came in and tried to take a lot of votes from Trump in 2020, succeeded, and stepped down to let Biden really take the reins in the last election. She's really done nothing. And you can't tax the rich, guys. If you tax the rich, you can in certain ways, but they're always going to find legal loopholes. Why? Because the rich are the ones creating the loopholes. They're the ones that are lobbying our politicians. They're the ones sitting on the advisory boards or in the committees that are deciding all the futures of regulations in our financial industries, right? Or farm. It doesn't matter what industry. They're the ones that are controlling the narrative. So Elizabeth Warren here is just a cuck, and she's gaslighting all the people because if she actually cared about, let's tax the rich and if we can fund the opportunity for it all, why not reallocate the hundreds of millions of dollars we're sending overseas to fund forever wars that no U.S. citizen wants? Why don't we allocate just literally 10% of that and solve all of the issues she's claiming us to have? It's because she's a cuck. That is what it is. That is all this is, and it's gross. Can Solana reach $1,000 in 2025? Rumor has it that BlackRock just applied for Solana ETFs. This could be massive. Type 1 in chat. Type 1 in chat if you believe we can go to $1,000 Solana. Type 2 if you do not. Type 1 in chat if you believe we can see $1,000 Solana in 2025. Type 2 in chat if you believe that we cannot. All right, that is what we have to look at. A disclaimer video after all the meme talk passed. Well, I mean, hey, is what it is. Let's see what we got. The hair is on point today. It looked like a new. I know I need a haircut really bad. My hair is getting so long. I have not gotten a haircut since Dubai, which is crazy. So this thread, guys, we're going to talk about Solana ETM, Ethereum ETFs, and BlackRock rumors, Bitcoin ETF comparison, base competition, Solana price prediction, and of course the bonus pick. So an analyst predicts Solana will have the next ETF. If you guys haven't seen this clip, listening to this, I saw this we might have covered it last week, but this is honestly, this is huge. This is huge coming from an analyst on CNBC.
So I don't know if the Ethereum ETF gets approved today, next week or the week after. It will get approved at some point in time. But also the trade now is who's next, right?
Exactly. Who is next? Because and I was talking about yesterday. Now it's almost time for truly my ETF, my blended ETF of which which crypto asset it is. And so who is next though?
I mean, I think you've got to think about Solana as probably the next one, right? I mean, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana are probably the big three for this cycle. SEC is starting to amend these.
The big three for this cycle. Yeah. So honestly, if we did get an ETF, I wouldn't be surprised. That's about a 5x from here. We're looking at like a $250, $300 million market cap or billion-dollar market cap. It's quite possible. But after now these rumors of BlackRock applying for a Solana ETF, if Sol ETF gets approved, the entire Solana ecosystem could see a huge influx of capital, similar to what Bitcoin has experienced so far. Let's take a look, right? So we're looking at right now Bitcoin ETFs having a total of $63 billion assets under management in just 4 months of trading. If Solana captured a similar amount, Solana's market cap would balloon from $74.6 billion to almost $140 billion. That's about double where it is today, bringing us to around $300 Solana alone. Base will ride these cocktails. So, I want to talk, actually, there's a little bit more here. And that's not even including the outside retail money flowing in. So let's say that with the ETF bullishness, Solana could reach half of Ethereum's previous all-time high. We'd be looking at a price point of just under $500. Sol could do even more, but in my opinion, Base is coming for it, okay? So what's happening with Base? Well, Base will ride, and this is my perspective. Type 1 in chat if you think Base is going to take over Solana. Type 2 if you don't believe it, because I do believe Base Chain is the next Solana. I believe they're going to steal a lot of its capital. I think kind of like how BNB absorbed a lot of Ethereum last cycle, dominating meme coins. Tokens on Base have the potential, and a potential native Base token will experience even more gains than Solana itself. So very interesting kind of perspective here, but Solana is looking quite bullish. I do think you can see some significant upside. I do believe we'll break over $200 here quite soon. But again, only time will tell on both of these. On top of this day, we have Bitcoin whales are scooping up coins for short-term gains, unlike long-term investors, per Crypto Quant. This is huge. Whales are scooping up coins at previous all-time highs, which traditionally tell us, guys, when whales start scooping up coins, you tend to see upward price action after we see that monthly chains, drop massively, right? They start taking profits on the way up. On top of this, you have Bitcoin rec capital here. It's a matter of time. Enjoy the consolidation while it lasts. Check this out. So looking historically, guys, 2013, every time we get to previous bull market all-time highs, we consolidate around those ranges. Now, I've showed you this chart time and time again because this is the longest we've ever consolidated at a previous all-time high. You'll notice again at previous all-time high, previous all-time high. This is the longest we have ever consolidated, which means the next move up more than likely is going to look like something that we cannot even imagine. It's not something we could necessarily even predict at this point. It's a black box. We're moving into complete, utter price discovery. So I am honestly super excited for this. I think after we get through a lot of the liquidation issues that we're sitting at right now with the liquidity gaps, we can break through that $72,000 threshold and see $80,000 Bitcoin. Okay, I do believe that is very, very possible. Let's go up here. Just in $98,000 in Bitcoin, or 98,000 Bitcoin have been taken off exchanges in the last 30 days, with 54,000 from Kraken and 25,200 from Coinbase. Yeah, supply chain is going to crunch. Canadian public company DeFi Technologies has adopted Bitcoin as a primary treasury reserve asset. It just bought 110 Bitcoin. More and more corporations buying Bitcoin. Extremely bullish for us here. We have BlackRock now holding over 304,000 worth $21 billion of their spot Bitcoin ETF. And this leads us to, well, Binance's research article on what the next wave of altcoins are. So you guys might already know this. I talk about this every single day. Let's go ahead and pull up CoinGecko here. One of my favorite projects, guys. Wow, OrdiSwap taking an absolute beating, man. Man, Bitcoin DeFi needs to bounce back. Ondo here down to $1.21 with the pullback here that we've seen in Bitcoin's price action. Now, again, I told you guys earlier the stream, very likely that we come down, fill this imbalance. I think worst case scenario, we're looking at this $68,500 level. But with that, guys, Binance Research released this huge thread on kind of what next systems they believe are going to really take over the crypto market. And to them, that is tokenized treasury. Tokenized U.S. treasuries hit an all-time high in May with around $1.5 billion in value on chain, driven by BlackRock's USD Institutional Digital Liquidity Fund, which is called BIDL, which is now the largest in the overall space. Yeah, if you guys were watching earlier today, guys, I showed you that, yeah, we have now $1.53 billion worth of tokenized treasuries. This chart continues to go up and up and up and up. And if you're somebody that's been looking to get into like Ondo or these projects, to me, this is incredibly bullish and just goes to show this is when I want to be picking up an Ondo project, right? So let's go to, might be able to look this up in real time. Let's go to FOMO.io. Nope, we're not logged in. Let me see if I can log in. I can't log in. Doesn't have the auto generation. Right now, guys, this is free. If you guys don't use FOMO, by the way, go follow FOMO because something big is coming to it. Okay, something massive is coming to FOMO.io. But we're at a pretty massive fear and greed index right now on Bitcoin. If I go to the hourly, might be even a little bit worse, could be a little bit better. It's in the green here. Let's go to the 15-minute. 15-minute? Where's the 15? Are we at 77? 77, 50, 45. 45. Let's go to Ethereum here. Ethereum in the 4-hour, which, by the way, the 24-hour, it's probably even a little bit more bearish. You guys saw earlier today, we were at like, I think it might have been 37. Might have been 37. So that fear and greed index, guys, is in the dollar cost average level. I like to buy in the red. I like to dollar cost average in the orange. I like to hodl in the green. And I like to sell in the dark green, right? We haven't been in extreme greed in a very, 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 very long time, okay? That is really important to understand when you guys are getting, kind of scared at these markets. Usually you want to do the opposite of retail here. Usually want to do the opposite of retail here. So RWA is popping off. That is awesome to see. Zach here, 15 months ago, I wrote an article on tokenized assets would scale on-chain finance to a global level. Since then, the value of tokenized funds on public blockchains have increased by 15x to over $1.5 billion, led by none other than BlackRock. If you're still fading tokenized RWAs, this is going to be a confusing next decade for you. This is just the beginning. So pay attention to RWAs. A lot of products out there, a lot of bullish projects out there that I'm very, very excited for. Crypto applications built on Ethereum produce comparable revenues to a selection of public companies. These applications are a testament to the resilience, creativity, and vision of the global industry, and they serve as a reminder that crypto is fast and becoming a pivotal part of it every single day. So, we're moving back into meme coins here, guys. That's really that. There's not too much news in the markets for really anything that's not meme coins. You do have the US dollar with things that we covered earlier this morning in the live show with Saudi Arabia and the downfall of the US dollar, so to speak. But now is time to talk about what is happening this summer. Base and Rune communities are joining forces to bring the largest meme utility run in the crypto industry. Rune meme coins are coming to Extro. Game Extro, game of memes on Base, will support DOG in their game. The crypto community will soon be able to earn game with various meme characters following the market trend. And this leads us into where is the, did I accidentally delete the announcement today? Onchain Summer, guys. Let me pull it up here. I have to pull it on here. Onchain Summer. There's a huge, huge event happening for Base that is incentivizing, meme coins to just completely kick butt on top of Base's ecosystem. I expect Coinbase to even maybe list some meme coins this summer. So pay attention to Base's ecosystem. This is where a lot of money is going to be flowing into. And yes, you guys can use the tools and everything we explained earlier today with what you should be looking for in terms of contracts, what need to be locked, how to understand if a product's going to rug on you. You need to be cautious with all the meme coins that will be launching this summer, guys, because 99.9% of them are going to go to absolute zero. Everyone will be talking about Duke and King Shubiduki. This is from Sovereign Llama, breaking the all-time highs Strong community, well-connected dev. I think the guy putting up the stream today just honestly wanted to add in there. This is funny. It's Brett just pushing them up on the screen here. We have Justin. Apple officially announces a partnership with OpenAI to integrate ChatGPT onto the iPhone. And this to me is really just kind of, it's obvious. I don't know if you guys saw the video ad today. You guys will have a full language assistant on top of your iPhone with iOS 18. So I don't know if all phones will have this though. I don't know if all phones will have this. Onchain Summer. Weirdo on base. That's complete facts. That is complete facts for you guys. You do have Apple Unveils Tap to Pay, so you'll be able to tap each other's phones
giving
and send
customers
money now,
around the
very, very quickly, just like Venmo. And that leaves us, guys. That leaves us to the meme coin talk of this episode, guys. So let's dive into some meme coins. Let's get excited because I'm giving away $2,500. $2,500. Let's see where we're at with the likes, chat. Chat, how many likes are we at? How many likes are we at right now? If I go to channel, if I go to can't even do that from here. My phone's dead. Guys, give me a like count on this video right now. We need to do more. Holy crap, that was trippy. Yeah, it was. We need to hit 300 likes, and we are going to give you guys 2,500. Yes, I keep saying it, guys. Dollars away the stream. Let me go find out the exact tweet for you guys right here. Pulling this up. Let's go to profile. 2,518 here. You guys go. $2,500. 152. 152. I can't give away $2,500 for 152 likes. That's not even. What is that? That's like $10 per. That's $20 per like. Guys, tap that screen. Tap that screen right now, guys. My ears, my bad. I'll move it away. Check it out, FOMO for you guys. FOMO. Ethan Smith always in here with the FOMO. The FOMO shills, brother. The man behind FOMO himself. Keep tapping it, guys. 435 concurrent viewers, guys. 426 likes. Oh, I think your guys are lying to me. I think I see the 152. Josh Swift coin exploded 80%. No way, man. Let me check this out. Swift coin. That's not it. Let me go to CoinGecko. 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 Let's go to Swift. Swift Cash. Is it just Swift Cash? It might be Swift Cash. No, maybe this is what you're talking about, but it's down right now. Swift Coin. It should be Swift Coin. I think it's not Swift Cash. I think it's Swift Coin. Swift Coin? No, not popping up, man. 184, guys. We're almost there. We got to hit 300 likes. We got to hit 300 likes. I will give $2,500 away right now. Got to hit the likes, guys. Tap that screen. I see the likes coming in. Appreciate you guys for all the love. Keep it up. Got to always rep my community, bro. Dude, all day, every day, Ethan. Keep it up, man. Keep crushing it, bro. Keep crushing it, man. What else we got here? This is the cycle of meme coins. Yes, I do agree. Base pro shops. Yes, Mo memes will go to zero in the depths of the bear market. Sure. No, dude. I mean, no, it's like not most, like the majority, the very vast majority will go to zero. I see so many meme coins being launched by like people that just like, I know they've never even launched, they've never done anything successfully on that matter to create a meme coin that's going to grow a culture like that. There's so much that goes into meme coin development, guys. There really is. Like, yes, you could deploy it in 30 seconds, but you really have to create a community and nurture a community that can, create viral content and wants to become, that represents and values themselves within that culture. Because again, it's a meme coin. There's no utility. There's no promise to it, right? Everybody, like for example, like again, Duke, no, there's no promise that. You guys know there's no promise to that. There's absolutely zero utility. Am I integrating him into, my websites or, into, as a mascot? Sure. Yeah. But anybody can do that. The contract is completely renounced. The community out there, you guys are building soundtracks. You guys are painting. You guys are selling art. You guys are doing, creating memes faster than I can even keep up with. It's, it's the culture behind it. And that is what creates a very, very valid, very, very strong community that can continue to persist and continue to grow. Let's see what else we got here. 2,500. Yeah, where are we at? Keep going, guys. Keep liking. Keep liking. It's all branding, 100%. PB, never, man. More than likely, yeah, never, ever, ever. Like, that just, it's gross that you even said that. I should honestly just ban you for saying that. You just made me throw up a little bit. Guys, should I dress up like Taylor Swift and launch my own meme coin on Omni and call it Mother? Mother, yeah, it's kind of crazy that Mother is worth like $200 million. If you guys don't know what Mother is, it's Iggy Azalea's crypto. Too big to fail. That's what Mother in New York City all week. Too big to fail. Yeah, like tell me crypto Twitter's just not full of simps. That's what's happening there. That is literally what's happening there. It's kind of dude, I don't even know what to think. It's hey, shout out to their community, man. Shout out to their culture. Most tech coins are vaporware that nobody uses in real life. They're all memes. Yeah, so that's why most venture capitalists, guys, you're gonna see a lot of venture capitalists hate on memes. And I fell for this very early on in my, I fell for it last cycle. I used to hate meme coins. There's no utility. The reason why most VCs hate meme coins is because it's, VCs aren't making money off of them. They make money off the paid shills and KOLs that they pay to promote their vaporware products that are supposedly life-changing technology. Now, not all crypto, guys, is bad. Chainlink, there's a lot of value to Bitcoin, Ethereum, Chainlink, and a lot of your top products, right? There's a lot of utility to tokenization, a lot of utility to oracles. Yes, 100%, but there's also a lot of value to mindshare. Look at Nike. This is the best example I can give you guys. Imagine if the Nike logo was owned by the community, right? Nike did it the opposite way. They paid their brand. The only reason why people wear Nike is because they paid athletes that were really cool and people looked up to wear their products. Nike's not the strongest, the best, the cleanest, the softest material. It's good, it's durable, but it's because they own the market share. They own the mind share of everybody. When they see a Nike logo, that means, you're an athlete. Or same thing with Adidas. Adidas is up there as well, right? It's something you got to think about when it comes to the marketing. There's so many better, I'm sure, athletic companies out there that are way better than Nike that nobody knows about because they don't have any of that mind share factor in the industry. Likes for giveaways. Where we at, guys? Where we at? No, Pepe will not go to zero. The community is too big. Yes, it will correct 90%. That I agree with. I don't think even Brett will probably go to zero, man. It's part of the boys club. But yeah, no, I mean, dude, look at Dogecoin, right? By the way, every project will more than likely crash by like 90% in a bear market. Like if it's under a bill market cap, it's definitely crashing massively. Pepe went to, well, let's go to market cap. Yeah, dude, Pepe went to a $90 billion market cap, and it's still technically down 90%, right? It crashed 90% in that bear market, all the way back down to literally 9 billion. And people are like, oh, this is going to zero. So, Pepe's up already 3x from that. 3x from that alone. This is Dogecoin. What the heck? I'm looking at Dogecoin. That's Dogecoin. Wait, I was like, Pepe did not go to $90 billion market cap. I was breaking my brain right there. Pepe's at all-time highs, pretty much. Yeah, Pepe's definitely in a different perspective. So, yeah, it's something you got to think about. But I don't think Pepe's such a big meme. It's there. It's culture. Didn't like watching this channel until so-and-so left. Yo, hey, Jacob, much love to you, man. Love that you're here, brother. We're making this channel great again. You know what I'm saying? Do you think Pepe and Brett will go to zero? No, I don't. But guys, in a bear market, meme coins are probably going to take the biggest hit. They're probably going to take the biggest hit. Do you think Pepe... I just read the same question twice. That's terrible. I got new glasses. Let's see. We need a people of Walmart coin. Hit the likes. Josh is bringing us the content this cycle. Let's go, Gary. Hit those likes, guys. 212 likes, guys. We've got to get to 300 likes. 300 likes, and we're going to give away $2,500. Raul Paul and Arthur Hayes says future is meme. Do you agree with them? PB, yes, I 100% agree with them. Now, the thing is, guys, again, when we're looking through meme coins, okay? When we're looking through meme coins, you want to make sure you guys are going on this, like go here, right? Go to security. So notice on the right-hand side right here, let me move my face, right? There we go. So you notice on the right-hand side right here, guys, right? We're looking at these charts. Everything in this section, right? Everything in this section. You want to see that tax modifiable? No, right? Ownership renounced? Yes. This is honestly a perfect representation of what it should look like. Now, is it anti-whale? I would love this to be there too, but it's really impossible to be anti-whale This one I don't understand because like it's really like, how do you have a fair launch 100% if not everybody can participate? Because even in like, for example, Dog token, right? Leonidas's project, the people with the bigger, the more NFTs that they had on top, or the more runes that they had, are the ones that were airdropped way more tokens, right? So it's in a free market. It's really, I honestly, that's primarily grifting. But really, guys, everything that matters is here. You don't want to see the buy tax crazy, right? That means you have greedy devs. Is the tax modifiable? No. Ownership renounced? Yes. You want hidden owner? No. Guys, I'm right here for you guys, and I'm not the owner. The contract's renounced. So now you guys are all the owner, which we're getting a massive pump rate. But mintable? No. Transfer possible? No, right? You want to be looking at these. If this is different on your other meme coins, guys, there's red flags. There's risks, right? There's going to be risks. The other thing is, too, that you can look out for here, which, I kind of pride ourselves in with Shubaduki, is going to be the fact that when you guys, like, voted on it, look how many there are. There's 1,212 rocket ships and fire. There's like nobody. These are pretty much just the haters that come in here once a day, and they're like, it's Joshua Jank, and they're just mad because we're creating successful businesses out there, and we created one of the best communities on the entire internet. So, just use this as an example, guys. Use this as an example. Go into the Telegram, get a feel for it. Every person in the Duke Telegram is going to be like, no, I'm not in here just because of him. They're going to be like, I'm in here because of the culture, because of the community, because of Duke, because of there's a value and system to it. It's creating that meme mentality. That's really it. That's really it. People of Walmart coin. You mean people of pajamas coin? Hey, dude, don't bash on pajamas. Make Discover Crypto great again. Hated the smackhead. You're the man, dude. Hey, Jay Miz will love all you guys. I love all of you guys. Thank you for all the support too. You guys have been nothing but amazing. Nothing but amazing. Crypto is all about following the new narrative and hype. 100%. 100%. So yeah, some cool things on this. I'm very excited to see you guys. I'm very excited. Let me move my head back. I'm excited to see what you guys do with this. I've already seen artists that are making street art and selling this stuff. But also just like the memes that are coming out of it. Exciting announcements. Okay. Exciting announcements. Shubaduki, guys. Shubaduki. Check this out, right? We're at a $10.2 million market cap. No KOLs, no paid marketing. There's no exchange listings, no CoinGecko, no CoinMarketCap. We are getting listed on CoinGecko this week. For CoinMarketCap, it's going to take 10 to 12 days. And also costs us a little bit more money, so I'm waiting on that one. But Pepe here, or not Pepe, CoinGecko should be listing the Duke here sometime this week. We have added it. You can see it here on Gecko Terminal, so it's already popping up, but that should be integrated hopefully sometime in the next 3 to 5 days. The other thing is we do have verbal confirmation. We have multiple different exchanges interested in us. The one thing is, guys, I'm not paying for listings, all right? This is how strong the community is. Get this, guys. The stronger the community is, exchanges can't turn down listing the tokens. Why? Because they want the liquidity. They want the volume. They want people to trade there. They're going to charge cryptos that have $10 million market caps $30,000 to list, or $5,000 in their tokens, $5,000 in something, and create these pools that they just pump the price up and they suppress. They manipulate the price action. Fuck the exchanges that are doing that, right? We're not doing that with the community. We're becoming so big. All the influencers that faded us, guys, we were getting faded by influencers at 1 million to 5 million market cap. Now at 10 million, look at this. Check this out. You want me to? I don't care. I'm going to show you guys right now. Let's expose them. Actually, let me see in chat. Type 1 in chat if you want me to show you the DMs. Type 1 in chat if you want me to show you Duke's DMs, guys. You're going to see how many people I leave on red because we do not pay for marketing. Check out. I'm going to show you all the influencers that are sliding into our DMs. There's also exchanges because, guys, this is community owned. This is 100% community owned. It's all for you guys. 1 in chat if you want to see this. I want to see it. Like the screen. 1 in chat. We're at 430 concurrent viewers. We're going to do $2,500 in giveaways. Or a $2,500 giveaway. Get excited. 0? Okay, I guess we won't expose them. I guess you guys don't want to see them. We should also add the Duke stickers to the chat here. You're my KOL. Oh, that's adorable. Oh, you're mine too. Look at that. Ones? Oh my goodness, you guys are terrible. You guys really want to see this. All right, there you go. Okay, so first and foremost, here's Austin from Mexi, guys. He said, so yeah, we're definitely looking into this for Mexi. I don't know what the pay fee structures or anything is really going to be doing, but we will check that one out for you guys. Okay, we will check that one out for you guys. Oops. We have message requests here from all these influencers here. right? All these influencers here, all want promotion, right? This guy was the one that I messaged here. This guy was just having issues, and actually, I don't want to leak his DMs. But yeah, some people are just having issues. Here you go. We don't pay for marketing. We don't pay for marketing. We don't pay for marketing. Thank you for your response, but that's totally fine. But let's keep in touch. But we don't pay for marketing, right? Look at this one. Hello, it's Jimmy from Base Insider, a media site supporting projects in the Base ecosystem. I'm glad to see your project on the Base ecosystem. We're eager to learn. Hey, we don't pay for marketing. We don't pay for marketing, right? Again, that's how all of these are, guys. I'm not going to collaborate or pay anybody for these. I won't. I refuse to do it. We don't need to. Why don't we need to? Because we have a real community. It's the projects out there that have to pay for promotion that don't have a community. If you have to pay for promotion, it's because you can't build a community. So shout out to Dukes in the chat, guys. Shout out to Dukes in the chat because you guys are the reason that we're at these levels today. We have a $411,000 now in liquidity, $10.2 million market cap. And it's because of you guys that we don't have to do that, and we refuse to do that, and we won't do that because we are not going to get taken advantage of by these market makers, by these manipulators, by these insiders, and we don't have to sell out. And we're 100% fair launch, so we can never do so, right? We can never do so. So shout out to you guys again here. Are we at 300 likes yet? Are we at 300 likes yet? We only have 8 minutes left in the stream, guys. I don't know if you guys can do it. I don't know if you guys can do it. I really don't know. I really don't know if you guys are capable of hitting the 300 likes. Come on, guys. Let's hit them. Let's hit it. Hit the likes. I want to give away $2,500. I'm even going to get the X picker ready, right? X picker. Here we go. X picker is ready. What are we at with likes? Let me know in chat. Damn, no shame. Stealing Ponky content. We literally stole one video and we didn't steal it. I literally said inspired by Ponky, but sorry, you're such a degenerate fuckhead with room temperature IQ. You can't see anything, Stoneheart. But hey, there you go, man. There you go. That's embarrassing. That was embarrassing, Stone. Oh, dude. Oh, man. I was probably on like your family room television too. You're like, I got him. I got him. Your wife's sitting next to you. That was embarrassing, man. Oof. Oof. Get duked. Get duked. That's just what happened to you. You just got duked. Max my supply on likes. Man, guys. 216. I was number 216. We're at 236. Almost 300 likes. Almost there. If this goes viral on its own, you don't have to exactly Eli. And that's exactly what the Duke Telegram is capable of doing. Is Duke Discovery crypto? No, it's not any of our token. No, it's the community token. It's not. It's literally just a community token. The Emperor said, do it. Do it, do it, do it. Do it, do it, do it. Meme is nothing more than copies of at this point. 100%. It's memes, bro. It's memes. Degeneracy. Degeneracy. No collab with Iggy. I don't think Iggy needs a collab with us, brother. You know, I don't know. Mother doesn't need to. We should collab with Mother, though. Mother, take care of us. Oh, where art thou, Mother? Where art thou, Mother? Inverse. Has the #1 stablecoin on Aerodrome. Wait, Inverse Finance has the #1 stablecoin. Inverse Finance. Hold up. Bro might have just dropped a little bit of a hidden gem here. Inverse Finance. 20 mil market cap. Homie, what is this? Market cap, terrible dilution. Yeah, I'm gonna have to stay away from that one, brother. I'm gonna have to stay away from that one. 369. We're at 253. 253. 250 likes for this, guys. My face. All right. Tell you what, guys. I love you anyways. We're choosing this winner. We're choosing this winner right now. Here we go. Guys, spam fire emojis. All right. Actually, better. Don't spam fire. Spam orangutans. Okay? Go type in monkey. Spam orangutan. Because this is for people that are following Duke and OmniSwap. If you're not already following, guys, make sure you guys go do so. Enter this. I'm putting it in the chat for you guys right now. If you guys want to enter to win $2,500, $1,500 is going to be given to one person that simply follows, likes, and reposts, and tag 3 friends. Tags 3 friends here. But I'm going to just do like and repost, follow here, guys. And then I'm going to be choosing another winner, though, for $1,000 that's going to creating a Duke meme. So whoever created the best Duke meme is going to be winning. Check out look at this here. Nesta Bio, shout out to the community member here. You know, one of the best in the Telegram. Look at this. Look how good this is. He spent 12 hours on this timeline.
Only playing 20 times in a row daily, and if everyone maybe.
OmniSwap 2. OmniSwap 2. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Some of the best memes are coming out of this, guys. So if you guys want to go check those out, just scroll through there. But we're going to be choosing this winner right now. So you have literally like maybe 30 seconds to enter. 30 seconds to enter this. Let's go ahead and take the, let's copy that link. Let's go over to the Twitter picker here. Let's go to must follow. Let me make sure. Let me click this one. I want people that retweet. Shubaduki, right? Shubaduki. Must follow OmniSwap AI. And must follow Joshua. Well, I guess we'll just do those two. That's fine. Those two are fine. Winner counts, profile images. Let's make sure that you have a minimum 50. Let's do a minimum of, let's do at least 10 followers. So that way there's no bots in there. Let's do description, banner, location. No, that's it. That should be all it is. Okay. Okay. All right. Orangutans. Spam the orangutans. Here we go. Spam the orangutans. I want to know. I can read chat still. I can still read chat. Spam the orangutans. Spam the dukes. Duke. Monkeys, orangutans. Break the chat. I wasn't looking yet. I need to see it. I need to see it pivot. Someone goes, my ears. Hey, turn down your TV. I have a loud mouth. They're as big as my eyebrows. Can't do anything about it. Spam it, spam it, spam it. We're going to be doing it in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Picker there for you guys. You guys are like, holy smokes, just choose it already. Choose it already, Josh. Choose it already. Please let us see it. Please let us see it. Duke to the moon, baby. Who is it going to be? Who's it going to be? Who's it going to be? 72%. Oh my goodness. It is Vinod Bhai. I have no idea who this is, but this man just won $1,500 US. $1,500 US. Let me go ahead and click share here. $1,500 US. Is this man in chat here? Let me see if W's in the chat for Vino here. Vinod Web 3. Let me go ahead and type him on here. Oh, let's hit share first and foremost. Share to Twitter. Congrats. You won. You win. No, let's do this one better. I want to do that better. I want to do a quote tweet, right? Let's do quote tweet. Congrats to gratis to at Voon Web 3. You just won 25 or no, I gotta do 1,500. $1,000 is going to a guy that did the memes. You just won $1,500 US to the moon. DM us. What else should I say in it? He's an introvert. Me? Maybe. Congrats to Vinod. You just won 1,500 buckaroonies. DM us your base, your ETH address. And let me put, let's put Duke. I'll make this better. I don't like doing this from tweeting from the PC. Duke is king. There we go. I like that one. Monkey. Nope. There's got to be an orangutan. Ring. Yes, sir. Duke is king. All right. There we go. Boom. Boom, bam, pop. There we go, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. We did not hit 400 likes, but I will be doing another $1,000 giveaway here, guys. Probably just gave him generational wealth with $2,500. Perhaps. Very well could have. We're going to be choosing the meme coin winner also, or not the meme, the best meme. So you guys do have time. By the way, guys, if you want to enter the $1,000 contest here, just have to create a Duke meme. Okay, you got to create the Duke meme and join in the Telegram here. Join the Telegram and create a Duke meme. And we will be choosing that later tonight. You have probably 3 hours. Okay, I'm going to do it right after work tonight. Sit down. I'm going to get a probably a nice whiskey on the rocks, and I'm going to go ahead and go through these and find just the favorite ones and have the community vote on it in the Telegram. So if you guys want to enter the meme contest, go build some memes, put them in the Telegram chat, and we'll be talking about them later tonight, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already as well, the last thing I do have to say, guys, make sure you guys go vote on the bearish or bullish tab here today on FOMO, and pay attention, because in the next couple of weeks, guys, something big is happening to this website. I can't tell you what it is, but something massive, something monumental is going to be shaping the meme coin industry here. So make sure you guys go check that out. Get excited. Go join the 30-day program. And guys,